Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bagas Abdul. So today I want to talk about reading skill in Tax ICT. So check this out. Reading skill, yeah. What is a reading skill, guys? It's a written material or a passage or composition. They kind of text, continuous text, narration, exposition, description, argumentation, persuasion, and instruction in a text. Non-continuous text, there direction, schedule, table, from browser, advertisement, receipt, personal letter, etc. Reading skill, there are many reading skills that will help you comprehend the text you are reading. Getting specific information, informasi tertentu diperoleh dengan cara melihat sekilas or scanning because that information is clearly in the text. Specific information usually is answer about what, where, and when. Contohnya like this, getting specific of the text from the text. In a football game, some people do not play the game that have important roles. In a football game, there are the coach, the referee, the linesman, and the spectator. The question is who control the game? That the people who have important roles in a football game are the answer the referee. So I said that they are the coach, the referee, the linesman, and the spectator. General and from the core of the passage, topik-topik atau paragraf biasanya menanyakan judul dari teks bacaan atau tentang apa topik teks bacaan. Contoh, it's like a zoo, but the animal not cat, giraffe, monkey, hippo, even lion and tiger wander around freely. Perhaps you may think, what if this animal attack? No, they won't, because you look at them from inside your car or bus. Here is the other way around at the zoo. The animals are locked in the cage. At the safari park, you are the lions locked inside your vehicle. Finding general information, the question, what does the paragraph talk about? The safari park or zoo? Because that text before in all the text always say animals, yeah, zoo, like that. Main idea, explain main idea. Keterangan, penjelasan atau penulis. Main idea merupakan kalimat utama atau topik sentence from a text or paragraph. Biasanya merupakan sebuah kalimat atau pertanyaan lengkap yang terletak di awal, di tengah, atau di akhir dari suatu teks. Contoh teks with explicit main idea. Bicycle are very popular today in many countries. Kalau nggak di awal, di first paragraph, or di akhir paragraph. Usually in all the text. Gitu. Soalnya oftenly itu muncul ya di awal. Gitu. Ada juga yang di akhir. Another reason Mexico. Gitu. What is the main idea for the paragraph? Bicycle. Nah, tadi udah disebutin ya. Detail informasi rinci, informasi yang tidak terlihat secara jelas pada teks. Untuk memperoleh informasi kita harus membaca secara rinci. Biasanya bacanya pelan-pelan. Contoh ini. want to forget during one night. So they bought 2 tickets for a movie called Lord of the Ring. Rinci kan? Why couldn't just Ryan see the screen? The answer, the man sitting in front of the war tall hat. Rinci banget itu, ngejelasin cuma whole tall of the aja. Implicit informasi yang tidak secara langsung pada teks. Dia ngejelasin suasana. Nah, hasilnya tuh suasana itu. Dia ngejelasin ya begitulah suasana di sana. Di teks tersebut. Makanya nggak kebaca. Lebih kayak kalimat tersirat sih. Level very popular. Ya ini non apa ya tadi. Contoh favorit. Non-seasonal all year round ship. The question for implicit information, what is the purpose of this poster? To encourage more people to eat local. Nah, jadi dalam reading skill ini kita lebih untuk melihat suatu konteks dari teks-teks yang ada. Apakah di konteks itu tersurat hal apa? Bahkan ada yang tersirat gitu, tapi nggak hanya mendetailkan, banyak mendetailkan, tapi yang intinya itu cuma satu. Atau bahkan in the first paragraph gitu, yang support detailnya di setelah first paragraph itu. Nah, main idenya di situ. Jadi di reading skill perlu diperhatikan teks dan konteks. Seperti itu. Semoga bermanfaat reading skill ini. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.